that people don't know, would never figure out, or even try.
May I ask something?
Go ahead, Cliff.
Were there any women in your operation?
Yeah. The administrator, but we never saw her.
I'm curious why there's a lack of women in your stories. In your childhood, growing up, in your company, there must have been women in your command unit.